Welcome back to Primetime Sports Thursday. There could be significant legal implications associated with the IOC requiring athletes and the fans to take COVID-19 vaccines ahead of next year's Olympics in Tokyo, Japan. But one medical expert is confident in the safety of any vaccine which will become available. More from Jordan Fort.
Organizers are scrambling to ensure a safe, successful Olympics next year, having taken the unprecedented step of postponing the largest sporting event in the world in 2020. As such, IOC President Thomas Bach announced recently that participants and fans arriving for the multi-sport games are likely to face requirements to be vaccinated against COVID-19 to protect the Japanese public. But that could be a slippery slope legally, according to noted sports attorney Dr. Emir Crown.
If it operates the way like traditional flu vaccines work, I mean, it will introduce some kind of dead strain of the coronavirus into your system and leave you weakened. So if you're an athlete competing at the absolute top of your game, as an athlete, do you want to take that and be anything less than 101%?
Medical issues could also arise, as the long-term health implications of a vaccine, especially so soon after being rolled out, could be catastrophic. But one medical expert, Dr. Carl Bruce, who is the medical chief of staff and consultant neurosurgeon at the University Hospital of the West Indies, is confident in the safety of vaccines for athletes.
In Jamaica, we're a vaccination country. We have seen the benefit of vaccines. We have seen diseases being eliminated, such as smallpox and polio, with vaccines. I believe vaccines are being manufactured quicker, not because there are political statements, etc., but because of technology. And so I'm confident that the vaccines that we are going to get are, first of all, well tested. Secondly, are monitored by external and independent peers. And thirdly, when the safety and efficacy is published, that's what you're actually getting.
President of the Jamaica Olympic Association, JOA, Christopher Samuda, says while he understands the interplay between individual rights and public rights, there has to be some safeguarding in place for the host country.
We're living in unprecedented times, Jordan, and the fact of the matter is that we have to safeguard the public against the health risks as we are facing now. Certainly, I would encourage athletes that once there is a risk and that the pandemic has not really been brought under control, just to permit a comfortable margin, that you should, in your own interest and in the interest of your family, particularly if you have responsibilities, to get vaccinated.
Jordan Fort, TVJ Sports.